Hello, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you own a Starlink, and it could be anywhere from generation 3, 4, or 4X, this here is a mount kit for your Starlink, and it's going to come with outdoor and indoor mounting kits. This will be your indoor kit here. This is where your Starlink will snap into, and you can go ahead and mount this anywhere inside. But then they also give you, now this will be a plastic piece. Now the rest, everything in black is aluminum because this is your outdoor mount. This is going to go onto your house. And you can go ahead and you can mount this any way you like to get that perfect angle of mounting your Starlink. And again, this is going to be rust resistant, and it's going to be all aluminum pieces with even this fixture here where your will screw into or mount to. They're going to give you all the screws, whether you're going into concrete or wood. They even give you a drill bit in this kit, which is a really nice touch, and an installation manual. So overall, everything you need here to get your Starlink up and paint up and facing forward up into the sky is in this set. It's a really nice set. I highly recommend it, and a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.